In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between object mode and edit mode in Blender using the tab key. Before we press anything, let's quickly clarify what these two modes are and why they matter. Object mode is where you work with entire objects as a whole. Think of moving, rotating, or scaling a chair in a room. You're dealing with the chair as a single unit. Edit mode, on the other hand, lets you dive inside that object and change its structure. You can grab individual vertices, edges, and faces to reshape the chair itself. Understanding this difference will make the toggle feel natural. Now for the simplest, fastest method. With your cursor over the 3D viewport, press the tab key. That's it. If you're currently in object mode, tab takes you into edit mode for the active object. Press tab again and you're back in object mode. It's a clean toggle, object to edit, edit back to object. This is the most common and efficient way to jump between high-level and detailed editing while you model. Here's a practical way to think about it. Start in object mode to position your object in the scene. Maybe you scale it or rotate it so it sits correctly relative to everything else. When you're ready to tweak the actual shape, press tab to enter edit mode. You'll see the mesh with selectable components, vertices, edges, and faces. Make your adjustments like pulling a face outward or aligning edges. When you're done shaping, press tab again to return to object mode and continue placing or animating the object within the scene. A few pointers to keep you moving smoothly. First, make sure an editable object is selected when you press tab. If nothing is selected, or if you have a non-editable object active, nothing will seem to happen. Second, confirm which mode you're in by looking at the top left of the 3D viewport. The mode is clearly labeled there. Third, ensure your mouse is over the 3D viewport when you press tab, since Blender respects the area your cursor is hovering over. Use this toggle frequently as you work. Switching modes with tab helps you stay in a creative flow. Organize and transform at the object level, then refine and sculpt at the component level. With just that one key, you'll move faster, make cleaner edits, and keep your modeling process intuitive from start to finish.